Look no further than the 2019 Honda Civic. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. This Civic Coupe sets the standard for comfort, convenience, and performance. You'll have a blast controlling the road in sleek, safe style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Scenic route or daily commute, driving never felt so good. Test drive the Honda Civic Coupe today.